Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is September 28th, Wednesday, when I'm recording this, and we've had a little bit of a wrinkle in some news and developments today. The ECB, basically, the European Bank, decided they wanted to do some quantitative easing. So they are restarting their bond buying purchase program. And so that is what might be creating a little bit of a local bottom. Or I gotta say, it is funny that when you look at the market, and if you spent enough time here, sometimes you know the truth is stranger than fiction. It's like, how did the Bank of Europe start to decide to start their bond buying program right when the S&P reaches its June lows? Like, really? Talk about timing. It's pretty impressive how something like that actually works out to do this. So you talk about that right at a double bottom is when they say, okay, we're going to do some quantitative easing and all that. So that is why today was a fairly strong day. We saw price kind of move up. Now, I don't see anything yet that confirms this. So a couple things that we need to be aware of is that, yes, we did see that price was oversold. It's out here outside of the 30 ATR. And we have seen that before. We've seen that there. And then there was a bounce up, but then it continued to roll over. There was again, there was a bounce up, then we got a different one. There was a bounce too. Same thing here, down there, that was a bounce, and it did start to actually create a bit of an up move. But we're gonna have if this is the bottom or a bottom, it's gonna take some time before price really gets going to the upside, if it's gonna be going up to the upside. So for now, this is just a bounce and a downtrend. It could morph into something else. We don't know yet, but I will bring you over to here. The last time we had price continue down like this, let's kind of do this in this way, is that every time price either got to the 50 or over the 50, the Moxie indicator was below 0 and it kept getting rejected. It wasn't until finally the Moxie indicator got over 0 and went positive that we got a decent move inside this situation. So if we take that and we look over here, where's the Moxie indicator? It's still below 0. So right there, still below 0. Yes, we have divergence, but we can't do anything with that yet. This is not a confirmation of any kind of up move. So we need to see. There's a rejection. There was a rejection. There's a rejection. This was a short squeeze, and now we need to see kind of what are we going to get here. For now, price closed the gap between price and the hourly 50, and we're just going to have to wait and see how this thing goes. If it's going to be something more robust, fine. We'll watch it. We'll see how that plays out. We'll look at the lower time frames and see how price handles this and finds some support. Otherwise, we could see price kind of fix or resolve its oversold condition, and then it might go lower. It could drop around, it could do all sorts of things. We don't really know what the next steps are, except that we could see that price was oversold and likely to move up. And then with that news about quantitative easing in Europe, that could, as I said, could throw in a bit of a wrinkle. So, all right, thanks everyone. We'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.